Hello everyone. To start watercolor, first you have to practice some strokes. Okay dear? Before that, please draw border. Border should be equal from all four sides. See, like this way you have to keep scale. Don't use scale like this way. Okay? Every time you have to compare this edge. This edge you have to compare. Check the difference. Check the gap. See this border work over. Now you have to draw some rectangle. Okay, we will draw at least 4 rectangles, means like that column way. Check. Please draw some more rectangles. Okay, means 1 2 3 3 will come. Okay, 3 like that, 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, 4 rows and 4 columns. See children, this rectangle work over. Now I am going for watercolor. Okay, so I am going for first technique in watercolor, that is my surface is wet, my surface is dry, and I will wet my watercolor cakes and brush. Okay, see I am using this round brushes. Okay, first what you have to do for that, wet on dry surface, means my color and my brushes will be wet only and that surface dry. Okay, so I am taking first excess amount of color you have to take, just excess amount of water you have to take and just touch the surface of watercolor. See, every time you have to start from left hand and you have to go to right. Horizontal strokes, horizontal movement every time from left to right. If gaps are there, again repeat that process from left to right. Okay, now again clean your brush. Now what you have to do, see light tone over, this one is light tone. Now I will go for dark tone. For dark tone you have to take more quantity of color, less amount of water. Just from tip you have to take. Again from left hand you have to move your hand in horizontal way and you have to come down like that only. Again more color. From left to right we have to go. See, light tone and dark tone. Now what you have to do, clean your brush, soak extra amount of water. Now mix that one. Try to mix middle tone, that dark tone and light tone. Every time you have to take horizontal strokes only. These lines are there, okay, try to mix that one. Okay. See, light tone, middle tone and dark tone. Three tone is clear: light tone, middle tone and dark tone. First what you have to do, you have to go for light tone and then we have to apply dark tone of same color and then you have to mix. When you will mix light tone and dark tone, you will get middle tone. Now I am going for outline work. That work you have to do with 00 or 000. Just wet your brush and from tip of that brush you have to take color, black color, outline or finishing tone. First practice. Okay, that is okay. Now anywhere, don't go for full outline, somewhere you have to keep. Clear? Now again clean your brush, keep like this way. Again second stroke vertical, we will go vertical. I am taking that again more quantity of water, less amount of color. Wait a minute, I will keep like this. See, vertical again from left to right, top to bottom. Top to bottom. Clear? Light tone over. Now I am going for dark tone. So just you have to wet your brush and take more color. Don't use white, you can use all 11 color. Just leave that one white. In watercolor, no need to use white color. Where you want to leave white space or white color, just leave that one only. Don't apply white color from top. More color I want. See, again from top to bottom. I will start from left only, left end, top to bottom. Top to bottom, top to bottom. See, light tone, dark tone. Now clean your brush. Soak extra amount of water and try to mix that one. Okay, see, light tone. Now see, again you have to clean your brushes. Now I am going for dark tone. Okay, dark tone, or now I am going for outline tone. Just wet your brush, take black color, for tip only you have to take. Now practice. Before going for outline, you have to practice that one. Don't do full outline, somewhere you have to keep. Okay, like this. Again clean your brush. Now I am going for diagonal stroke. Okay, again from top to bottom you have to go slanting way. Diagonal strokes you have to take. Very light you have to do first coat very light. See, first one over. Now just wet your brush and take more color for dark tone. You have to start from corner only. And clean your brush. Just soak extra amount of water and try to mix this. See, light tone, middle tone and dark tone. Now again take 0 number or 00 outline. Clean your brush. Now one last hand movement that you have to move in circular way. Okay, clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. You have to follow any one direction. I'm taking that golden yellow. Clockwise direction you have to move your hand. Clockwise direction you have to move your hand. Corner area you can go for curve one. See that light tone over. Now you have to go for dark tone. Center, start. Clockwise direction only. Now dark tone over. See, dark tone and light tone. Now just clean your brush and take very less amount of water and try to mix this one. See, 3 tone is clear, that dark tone, middle tone and light tone. Now clean your brush, keep aside. Again finishing tone with black color only. Finishing tone that using in watercolor, that black tone you have to do in last only. Okay, now again we will practice. We have started from this left hand, now we will start from right hand. Okay, from right side.